Hi, my name is Jeff, also known as Rubix. I've been a DJ for a few years and I've played at a few nightclubs around Seattle and also for a couple of clubs at the UW. When it comes to DJing, BPM is a really important factor to consider since BPM basically tells you how fast your song is going and if two songs might be able to match. Since matching the beat of two songs is extremely important in creating smooth transitions, a program or a service that could help us DJs find sets of songs of certain BPMs would be immensely helpful in creating a useful library of songs. Let's see this.
Alright, yeah.
Oh dude, that's really cool actually. Oh my god, how big is your library? Oh dude! Oh shoot. I love you. This is awesome. I always have trouble finding lower BPM songs. This is awesome. Like, legitimately, this is really cool.
Hi, I'm Kevin, project lead of Pulse. Most people can follow a beat by clapping their hands. However, this does not translate to numbers very well. Pulse provides a way to search songs by BPM by allowing us to tap a beat on our computer or mobile device and giving us the BPM based on their input. When they find a song with a similar tempo, they can add the track to their music library for use in future mixes. Our service also improves discoverability of new artists.
Hi, I'm Sonia, marketing expert of Pulse. We started with a grassroots approach with DJs who would regularly use our product to see how the market reacts. We strive for brand recognition by DJs who will use our product to help make their mixes. With this initial data, we can then turn to companies in the music industry who would want to promote their own content on our application. Right now, we aren't collaborating with anyone, but we'd like to collaborate with YouTube and SoundCloud at some point to provide previews of songs and query results. In terms of competitors, Pulse only has a few. Most people are familiar with Pandora and Spotify, while DJs are familiar with BPM Database and DJ BPM Studio. Pandora and Spotify are good at mixing songs, but there's no BPM filter. We have no control over it. BPM Database and DJ BPM Studio are good at telling you the BPM of a song, or songs of a certain BPM, but it doesn't suggest songs based on a song you enter in. Pulse does that.
Hi, I'm Roy. I am the web designer for Pulse. So, in order to get song suggestions from our competitors based on a song title, they have to go through a two-step process, which is navigationally expensive. First, you have to enter a song name to get BPM, and then after that, you have to use that BPM to get related songs. For Pulse, we accomplish this in just one step. All you have to do is enter a BPM in and press search. So in terms of front-end design, the overall mood of our website is fitted to a nighttime clubbing environment to really attract DJs to our website. The colors of our site are very dark, and we even have an image of a DJ as our background, so our target users are very apparent. A cool feature we added to our site is a pulsing pair of headphones, providing visual feedback when a beat is tapped. You can search by tapping a beat, entering in a BPM, or entering in a song name. And when you enter any of these things in, you get a list of 10 results per page with the name and BPM value of each song.
Hi, I'm Eric, the backend developer of Pulse. While many teams in this class use Nudge, Lucene, and Solar to handle their querying and search optimization features, we actually circumvented them altogether. One of the coolest technical features of Pulse is that we created our own custom crawler. Using PHP, we're able to parse a variety of sites that already have the musical data that we can use. Currently, we're taking our data from a web service called bpmdatabase.com. Our crawler parses the website, grabbing the song name, artist, genre, and of course BPM. Links to the other pages are navigated to by using the browse page of the BPM database, and we parse artists from the beginning letter. From there, we store our data in a SQL database in a single table. However, our crawler is not limited to BPM database. The power of having our own proprietary crawler gives us flexibility of indexing a variety of services that other teams who are using Nudge and Solar couldn't do before. On top of that, implementing paging, allowing infinite scrolling when users want to look through results, reducing navigational exercise. And the backend implementation doesn't stop there. We're constantly adding new features and improvements to Pulse, and I'm really excited to see the future of this project.
For a while, we had a difficult time getting Nutch and Solar to work with our idea. Originally, most web services had their data indexed and stored in databases. Directly accessing those databases were outside of the scope of the class, which was to scrape web pages and return relevant data instead of database queries. Using the custom web crawler, we were able to overcome those limitations and begin returning BPM and song information to our users. We used Google Analytics to track our site traffic. Since our last interim results presentation, we have quadrupled the number of unique visitors and visits to our site. We've increased to 950 page views with an average of 8 minutes and 49 seconds. It was really important for us to know whether or not we were accomplishing our goals of building an effective search service. We did this by completing user interviews and peer reviews. Our classmates, along with out-of-industry DJs, evaluated our product to let us know if what we created was useful and if our product was functional. The feedback was very positive. All the DJs we interviewed said they would use our product.
I'm DJ Rubix, and I would use Pulse, and I would also recommend it to any other DJs that are looking for a quick, easy way to build their library.